넌 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 going 이불 속에서 going은 언제나 너에게 going.
Public speaking is the act of delivering a speech or presentation to a live audience. It involves speaking in front of a group of people with the purpose of informing, persuading, entertaining, or inspiring them. Public speaking can take place in various settings such as conferences, meetings, seminars, classroom, or public events. Being confident in public speaking offers numerous benefits that can enhance your overall speaking experience and impact on the audience. Confidence helps you engage the audience and capture their attention effectively. A confident speaker displays enthusiasm and energy, making the speech more engaging and memorable. Confidence boosts your credibility as a speaker. Public speaking with confidence can boost your self-esteem and self-assurance. Success in public speaking can lead to a sense of accomplishment and empowerment. A pleasant afternoon to each and everyone. I am Reha Manalao, your public speaker for today. And the title of this program is How to Speak Confident in Public. Speaking confidently in public is a valuable skill that can be developed with practice and preparation. Did you know that we have steps that we can follow to look confident when it's come to public speaking? Number 1 is prepare and practice. Thoroughly prepare your content and practice delivering your speech multiple times. Familiarity with the material will boost your confidence. Number 2 is know your audience. Understand your audience interests and tailor your message to resonate with them. Number 3 is use positive body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use gesture to convey your message. Number 4 is speak slowly and clearly. Enunciate your word and maintain a steady pace. Speaking too quickly can make you appear nervous. Number 5 is controlling your breath. Take a deep breath to calm your nerves and control your voice. And we have responded here to give us any tips to how to look confidently when it's come to public speaking. Hi, good morning. I am Reha Manalao, a public speaker, and we have here Jenard Esnawi. And as I've known, member ka ng Torch Publication, right? Can you please give me any tips lang para magmukhang confident when it's come to public speaking?
So, to become look confidently ay kailangan nating maggumamit ng mga gestures kapag nagto-talk tayo at saka i-maintain natin yung eye contact. Yun po.
Thank you so much po sa inyong idea at saka sa mga tips. And we have here Anthony Samson para magbigay ng mga tips. Paano ba maging confident pagdating sa public speaking?
So, ang payo ko lang is kailangan be confident enough para makapagsalita ka sa harapan ng maraming tao. Then, be proud to yourself na ikaw yung nagsasalita sa harapan ng maraming tao. Tsaka kailangan makuha mo yung loob ng mga taong sa harapan sa'yo, nakikinig sa'yo. Yun lang.
That's all. Thank you so much po. And we have here Mary Joy de la Cruz to give us tip paano magmukhang confident when it's come to public speaking.
So for me, you need to be just yourself kasi wala namang masama na magbigay ng opinion and don't mind kung ano sasabihin ng tao, just be yourself.
Thank you so much.